Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this AKATUO native 1080p 5G Wi-Fi projector. It's the AKATUO Bluetooth 5.1 video projector. It supports up to 4K. 8,000 lumen are on top too. It's compatible with HDMI, USB, VGA, AV/TF, smartphones, laptops, TV, sticks, boxes, portable home, cinema, multimedia projector comes here in the best. That's a really cool thing because we have here real native 1080p in 5G Wi-Fi projector. To meet the needs of us, this model was updated to native 1080p. That means 1920 to 1080p. 5G and 2.4G compatible. That means you can connect it to your Wi-Fi network. We have 8,000 lumens of brightness level. By native resolution of 1080p, 4K is supported. Of course, it will not gain to 4K, but it will be a better and nicer and smoother picture and movie with this device here. The product provides vivid and colorful images and offers a real cinema experience, either for home night movies or evening activities with family and friends. And advanced 5G Wi-Fi connection in only 5 seconds. Equipped with 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi, the product can connect directly to our device in 5 seconds via the home Wi-Fi without the need for additional cables or adapters. Compared to other general projectors on the market, we do not need to buy the appropriated adapters to connect our mobile phone or tablets or of course laptops. And this projector comes with more. With Bluetooth. Yes, it is a Bluetooth projector. We can pair wireless with our Bluetooth speaker, headphones, or sound bar anytime and anywhere. For outdoor dinner or party time, we can connect external speakers. The sound will be greatly improved with that. If we don't want to bother a family or neighbors while watching movies at night, we can connect Bluetooth headphones. 2. Oh yeah, they do everything. They can to give us an ideal home theater with that device here. And we have multiple ports and connections possible with HDMI, USB, TF, AV, VGA ports, headphone jack cables, and HDMI cable, AV cable included in the package. The projector can be connected to almost all devices in daily life, such as laptop, television boxes, or television sticks, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox, all kind of Xboxes, mobile phones like Android and iOS, tablets, USB sticks, external hard drives, DVD player, Blu-ray player, desktop computers, speakers, and so many more things are possible. And we have an easy installation and an easy adjustment. In addition to the placing directly on a table, we can also install it on the floor or ceiling with the projector tripod in front or behind the screen. Of course, the tripod is not included, but you can buy it separately. To adjust, turn the focus button on the projector to get a clear image, and we turn the keystone button to get a rectangle image. And that's everything. We can make it easy. Once it is there, you can use it so easy, really easy. The first step is you can connect each device, what you have with it, but on the other hand, you can make a connection, a Wi-Fi connection with it, and then you can use, for example, AirPlay if you have an Apple device. It works, as you can see, without additional parts. The AKATUO native 1080p 5G Wi-Fi Bluetooth projector, surprising offer. With the unremitting efforts of the AKATUO's engineers team, they have improved this projector in all aspects. But it's just affordable, like other ordinary projectors. It's the most affordable 1080p native mini projector we can find, and it will exceed all our expectations. clear, dynamic, and vivid HD image. The AKATUO Wi-Fi projector is specially designed to meet the needs of our customers. It is equipped with a net resolution of 1080p and a brightness of 8000 lumens, which provides a clear image. And in addition, this model is equipped with the new NTSC color technology, which has improved the color to a contrast ratio of 8000 to 1 in order to display the desired color contents, presenting as customers here with a clear, dynamic, and vivid picture quality, easy wireless connection with smartphone, tablets, and so on, and in both 2.4 and 5 GHz network Wi-Fi. And mirror or sync faster and more stable with that. It's really easy. For example, iOS, Apple device, we connect our Wi-Fi projector to our home Wi-Fi. This is step number 1 all time if you go to make a Wi-Fi connection. We turn on the projector, we go to the setup page, while the settings search, go connect easily. We connect the iOS device to the same home Wi-Fi network as you connected with that device, with that beamer here. And on the projector, we choose iOS cars from the main menu. On our iOS device, we enable screen mirroring in the taskbar. We select the projector device, NAT-Link, DCAC, iCast for pairing. We wait a few seconds or minutes maybe, and then it is connected and we can use it. Nearly the same as with Android. In this case, we go to Miracast, Miracast, from the main menu, and on the Android smartphone, we enable screen mirroring, Smart View, multi-screen cast, wireless projector function in the taskbar. We select the projector device, job's done. Oh yeah, that's all, and it's easy. As you can see, and it works. You can see it in the video. It's really cool. It's really cool. Of course, the projector works if it is not connected to the Wi-Fi 2. All we need is one of the easy connection methods to operate without Wi-Fi. We can make an HDMI connection. We connect the laptop, PlayStation, Xbox, television, Rook Stick, Google Chromecast, and so on. Or we can use the USB connection. We connect a flash drive, an USB stick, an external hard drive, and so on. And we have a VGA port. We connect our personal computer, graphic card. For an AV connection, we connect a Blu-ray player or a DVD player. For aux port, we can connect external speakers or headphones without Bluetooth. So you can see you have both Bluetooth function, Wi-Fi function, and here wired function. That's really cool. Oh yeah, it's easy. Here we have not only the picture quality has been improved, the sound is also particularly impressive. The built-in speakers meets the need of a home theater. The projector is also equipped with Bluetooth for connecting outdoor speakers for larger cinema experience. And the improved cooling system not only reduces the noise, but also extends the life of the projector up to 60,000 hours and more. That's really cool, and it's not so expensive. It is a good and nice device here to begin with a projector or home cinema environments. This is the AKATUO native 1080p 5G Wi-Fi projector. It's not only a Wi-Fi projector, it's a Bluetooth projector indeed too, with 8000 lumen. It's compatible with the HDMI, USB, VGA, AV, TF, and so on. Smartphones, laptops, television sticks, or boxes. It's a portable home cinema multimedia projector here by AKATUO. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. So.